Where's Ashton? You like that game? Okay, I'll put it back on. Okay, this is his favorite game. What? Be careful. What are you doing? You have to be careful, okay? Where are you walking? Can you see where you're going? Where's Ashton? Is that fun? Oh, there he is. I see him. And do it again. Okay. Boom. Oh, oops, I missed. Well, come back. I'll do it again. Come here. Come here, Booger. Ash Dash. Ash. One with the blanket. Come here and do the blanket. Boom. Careful. Ash. Ash. You have to be careful. You're blocking it, honey. That's why he likes to do this. He thinks it's funny. You think this is funny? Do you think this is funny? Yeah.